Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Easy craft videos. I hope you are fine and good and doing well. Guys, in this lecture you see the top coffee bean art designs. Coffee beans art design is unique idea that uploaded on my YouTube channel. So watch the video till the end and keep spotting to my channel. Easy and bestest collection, and it's a chance for the beginners to enhance your ability related to coffee beans art, and different art are available on my YouTube channel. If you want to watch more collection related to art designs, related fashion collection, each and every video are available on my YouTube channel. So thank you so much guys, and beautiful and amazing art designs. In this collection you see the 20 plus designs. Thank you so much guys to watch my video and to like my video. Coffee bean art is most important and beautiful art designs, and everyone like this. Thank you so much guys to watch my videos. Take care.